Ready to turn your dreams of passive income into reality by harnessing the power of automation and AI? Let's dive into how you can make money with Zapier and ChatGPT. Step by step. First, you will need accounts for both platforms, Zapier and OpenAI. Next, think about your area of expertise and the type of service that combines AI and automation to solve real problems. For example, if you are good at content creation, you can create workflows to automatically generate blog posts or social media content. Now, let's set up your first Zap. Begin by choosing a trigger app, such as a new Google Sheets RAW or a new lead in your CRM. This trigger will be the starting point for your automated workflow. Next, add ChatGPT as an action step. Configure the action by providing a prompt that instructs ChatGPT on what kind of content or response you want to generate. For example, summarize a blog post, answer a question based on collected data, or create a personalized email. Now, add another action step to your Zap to use the output generated by ChatGPT. For example, save the content to Google Docs, send an email through Gmail, or update a contact in your CRM. Finally, test your Zap to ensure everything is working as expected. Once you are satisfied, turn on your Zap and start automating. Market your unique automation service on platforms such as Fiverr or Upwork. Can get ready to earn passive income.